Hi, good day everyone. This is our part 2 for SWOT analysis, and in this chapter, the continuous chapter from part 2, and let's see the examples of Toyota SWOT analysis, whereby here we can see the strength of Toyota. The first one is a strong focus on research and R&D, whereby we know that Toyota are going to compete with other car manufacturers. So what are the strengths for Toyota nowadays is they have a better R&D in order to compete in the world, in the vehicles, within the vehicle company, among the vehicle companies around the world. And second strength that we can see is that the most valuable and one of the most recognizable automotive brand, which is when we talk about Toyota, the brand. So we know what is the symbols. We know in our mind we know that this is commonly used in Malaysia also and other countries. Okay, the third strength, what Toyota have, that it has Toyota production system. So they have a system that that can support their productions all around the world. Okay, these are the things that Toyota did in their production system, whereby they use JIT system, just-in-time system, and Jidoka, where the aim is to produce more quality vehicles at the lower cost, as well as shortest lead time. Shortest lead time meaning that you can Toyota can produce within in shorter time, or shortest lead time means that they can provide the cars to the market within in a shorter time, and they are able to reach their customer time. Okay, so these are among the examples within the Toyota production system lah. So just in time, as we can see here, the continuous flow of productions. They want to reduce as much as possible the waste in productions, and it takes shorter time by having shorter supplies from their suppliers. Meaning that whenever they need the product, just in time ni, whenever they need the product, they just call the supplier. So the functions of warehouse, functions of gudang tu dah reduce, and at the same time they can reduce cost. That's why they use just in time system in their productions. Okay, as well as pull system happens when it is when we want to use the product ataupun we want to use the supplies from the supplier, then we will order from the supplier lah. Tu kita panggil pull system. Kalau if you can imagine, pull system is tarik kan, pull kita akan tarik. So we in this concept, Toyota dia tarik material from the supplier, so dia guna supplier lah. Okay, Jidoka, what Toyota use ataupun improve in their production system, by having Jidoka ni, they stop and notify of abnormalities. Maksudnya in productions, kalau tiba-tiba ada the trends of productions tu, tiba-tiba ada kerosakan ataupun ada sedikit kelemahan, so dia notify abnormalities. Abnormalities ni dia kalau kita tengok trend, kalau biasanya kalau graf ni gerak mendatar ataupun dia linear kan. Okey, tiba-tiba ada trend naik ataupun trend turun, maknanya tu abnormality lah. Okay, so dia akan take actions lah towards the abnormalities. Okay, second one inside the jidoka, separate human work and machines. Of course, when talking about productions at Toyota ni, dia banyak robots, dia banyak teknologi use lah compared to human work. Tapi still lagi ada human works. Okay, so this is the examples of strength that Toyota ada in terms of their production system. Okay, okay, next one, competence in electrified vehicle productions. Okay, as we already know today, most of the car, they are going for electrified vehicle, and Toyota one of them lah. And what Toyota did is that the first one start from 5 years back, they are going towards hybrid car. So a hybrid car will reduce the use of fuels, and at the same time dia boleh sustainable. In order to have the sustainability in their productions, and to reduce the emissions of the use of fuel lah. That's why they come out with hybrid car, and will soon they also come out with the electric car yang kita charge tu. So most of the not only Toyota, but most of the vehicle cars nowadays are towards the that kind of product lah. Okay, and number 5, the strength Toyota environmental challenges 2050. So untuk sahut cabaran ni, what Toyota did is that they are going towards apa tadi yang hybrid car and electricity cars, in order to reduce the numbers of fuel use. Sebab fuel ni, petroleum ni, dia scarce resources or limited resources. Once we use, dia dah habis. So sama juga dengan telaga-telaga minyak yang ada dalam dunia ni. Once kita guna that kinds of raw material ataupun resources, dia akan habis. So what Toyota did is that they are going toward environmental challenges lah, by having fuel free ataupun it's not fuel free, it's electrical car yang kita charge, and nowadays dah ada. Okay, and last one on production is the most dependable cars in the industry. So we are talking about when Toyota productions tadi in their production system, dia dah improve, and dia banyak gunakan JIT system as well as jidoka, dan banyak lagi the practices among the productions, and it is not this is the most dependable cars in industry. Maknanya dia dah ada teknologi, dia boleh berdiri sendirilah. So dia boleh buat teknologi dia sendiri. So that's why dia panggil dependable. Okay, now weaknesses about Toyota. So what the first weakness in Toyota is about lack of competence in autonomous car ataupun autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicle is like a vehicle that can sense the environment. Just like Tesla did lah. So at that time, at present time, Toyota, they have their own R&D, but then the skill ataupun they are not competence in the autonomous vehicle. Apa yang Tesla buat sekarang ni lah. So Tesla, dia dah ada dekat jalan, ataupun dia dah commercialkan dia punya kereta. But then for Toyota, they still lagi dalam in development lah, in terms of autonomous vehicle. Dia boleh gerak. Autonomous vehicle ni vehicle yang boleh bergerak with the sensing the environments around it, and kita as a driver may be present lah in that car. So tak payah guna driver, ataupun kita boleh guna auto 100%. Okay, second one, in terms of negative publicity due to the large vehicle recalls damage company's brand name. So dia dah once dulu Toyota dia recall back a few Toyota's model because of there are several problem inside the productions. Okay, the third weaknesses on Toyota is that they have weak presence in China's lower company's future growth potential, which is, as we know, China is the one or is the world largest automotive car, and Toyota is the third largest in the market in terms of volume, in terms of unit sales lah. So yang terjual China is the main competitors in terms of Toyota, in terms of vehicle. The last part on weaknesses of Toyota is poor brand portfolio. So Toyota they sells vehicles under 4 different brand name. So dia jual dengan brand Hino, Daihatsu, Lexus and Toyota. So they are using these 4 brands for their Toyota lah, for under Toyota brand name. So all these Toyota brands dia letakkan dalam segmen tertentu, ialah which is top and luxury cars lah. And then what they do is that they cannot compete with General Motors as well as Volkswagen, which these 2 competitors they can come out with a different brand or different name under one company. So that is the weaknesses on of Toyota.